Yo, you alright? My name's Josh, welcome to another video. In this video, as you saw by the title, have made a song in one day. And today, we're going to be going through the exact process we went through to make this song.
Let's do this.
So, the song is called Clear Skies. Me and my friend, Josh, we basically made this song in one day. We were like, oh, we need to make a song. I was like, you know what, I'm down. I might as well just give it singing a quick go. So, yeah, we made the song, and this is what we got.
Oh, I see clear skies with you in my life. I need you around so I don't fall down. Now I'm on the ground and I need to get back up. I think we'll need a big truck. Honestly, I don't give a...
So eventually, when we finished the song, we were well happy, right? But I thought, why not make a tutorial video or just a video just in general telling you how I made it, okay? So interestingly, I have the videos of how we made it and how we put together the lyrics and everything. So yeah, basically, here's the lyrics on the screen right now. So these are the lyrics right here. I wrote the lyrics. Normally we would structure the song into, you know, several different parts. For example, in every song you have to have a chorus, a verse, and a bridge. So we would normally do all them three, but at this point we were just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it and just write a whole bunch of words. So I just technically used a lot of rhyme zone to find the rhyming sort of the words, like for example down, ground, all them little bits of words like truck and so yeah, you know what I mean. The more important part is the song itself, like the guitar in the background. So Josh actually was the one that made the guitar
big up Josh
tune in the background, and it's all original. He made it up himself. We went through it. We basically recorded the sound of the guitar and the tune before we actually did the words. So it was the first thing we actually did, you know, to create the song was creating the background music and the bass. So yeah, we did that, and it sounds a lot like this. So at that point, we obviously were like, yeah, this is good, and I want to add some words, obviously. So I sang a couple of the words, and then he put it together. But so basically, here's a little clip of me just singing on its own, because it's interesting to see the stages of the song and how much we went through to actually, you know, get to the final product. So this is the first stage. It's just me on my own.
I see clear skies with you in my life. I need you around so I don't fall down.
And then basically we just went on to adding the background and you know the guitar tune into the background, and this is what that sounded like with no effects, nothing, and that's what that sounded like.
I see clear skies with you in my life. I need you around.
Exactly. So then it's a bit, you know, it's a bit weird. So we just added a little bit of a reverb to the guitar and myself, and just a little bit of echo to, you know, to basically just bring it together. And then I recorded some overdubs for the song, just a yeah, something like that. You know what? So I did that, and I recorded all these different bits just to add at the start and the end or whatever. And then he added them to the song, and this is what that sounded like. Yeah, so then basically after this we were like, well, this is looking pretty good. So we decided to add drums, and at that point we were like, nah, we won't add the drums because this is what it sounded like.
I see clear skies with you in my life. I need you around so I don't fall down.
It honestly sounds like a different song, doesn't it? Like completely different. Yeah, so we took out the drums, and then we got the final version. I've got Josh here, the guy, the man, the mixer. Basically, I'm gonna ask him a couple of questions, see what he says. So yeah, Josh, what did you think of the song? Like when we finished it, anyway. Like, oh god.
Well, it's not really my genre of music, but I guess I liked it. Like, I wouldn't listen to it personally, but it sounded nice.
Nah, yeah, I agree. I mean, I would listen to it, like, anyway. But I mean, yeah, if you're not into it, yeah, it did sound nice, I guess. Yeah, but to be honest, like, in my opinion, right, to make like a good song, you can spend like a long time doing it. But in this case, why do you think like it was good to do it like a short-term thing?
It's better to like do a song in a day, like because you don't really get hung up on the little details of your song, because there are mistakes in it that I've noticed since we made it. But if we were to try and fix those, it'd take like weeks of our time to get it perfect.
Yeah.
So if you just do it in like a time constraint, there's going to be mistakes, but you'll actually get it done when like worry about it.
Yeah, you just get it finished and then get it out there.
Yeah.
That's fair enough. The main reason we did this song was just to put, like for a bit of fun. So like. Yeah. What do you? Yeah, basically just a bit of fun. What do you think? It's just a bit of fun. Fair enough. That's Josh. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did indeed, record this and make the song in one day, which is a challenge itself, but we went for it. And hopefully we're going to be releasing a new album. Link to my new channel, the Lovable Plums. That's basically our band. Anyway, the Lovable Plums. So link to that channel in the description. So if you want to check out what we're going to be releasing, what songs we're going to be putting out there in the next couple months, we're going to be releasing like a load of songs throughout that time period, and we'll see what traction we can get. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was me and Josh making a song in one day, and that's what it sounds like. Enjoy it. So here we go. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought of the song. Thank you. Peace. Here's the song.
I see clear skies with you in my life. I need you around so I don't fall down. Now I'm on the ground and I need to get back up. I think we'll need a big truck. Honestly, I don't give a fuck. I see clear skies. I just need your time, and I need you in my life. Otherwise I will get scared and bump into chairs. Like a lunatic who's off his meds, I'll crash and burn and just see reds. I see clear skies. When I put the knife down, when the blue light was flashing, and I'm in the car, I won't go too far, because I'm behind the bars. I don't see blue skies anymore, because I'm locked behind a door, and there's no escaping from what I have done. What I thought was right was wrong. I'm sorry for the pain, and now these days have changed. I see blue skies, but your family must think I'm crazy, but I'm actually really nice. They just need to get to know me. I'm so cool like ice. But I see clear skies, and that's all that matters. Even in the middle of the night, it doesn't get dark till 10. So I'm out till then. This is where we end. I hope I see you again. When I see clear skies, clear skies. When I see clear skies, clear skies.